Story The Shepherd and the Wolf, Class 6. Once, a shepherd was living in a village. He used to graze sheep in a jungle. He, as a joke, cried, "Wolf, wolf." The villager ran for his help with sticks, but there was no wolf. The boy was laughing. They cursed him. They repeated the joke after a few days. On going to help the boy, they saw no wolf. The villagers became angry. One day, a wolf really came there. The shepherd was afraid and cried, "Wolf!" Teehee villagers did not come for help. The wolf killed the boy and ate many sheep. Morale. Once a liar, always a liar. Quotation.